there, Jessica. How's it going?
Great.
What are you doing out here today?
I'm going to have the best experience of my life. Go skydiving.
Oh, that's awesome. But tell me, how does that work without a parachute? Where's your parachute?
It's not on yet.
Well, I don't see anybody helping you out. You sure you want to do this?
Yes.
All right, let's go do this. So what do you think?
Oh my God, it was an incredible experience. Everybody has to try this at least once.
So you're going to do it again, right?
Yes, definitely.
You're crazy. Well, congratulations. You did it.